Remotasks is a website that anyone can join as long as they are fluent in English. This is the only requirement the site has. This is a fun website that is easy to use and earn money. You'll be tagging images, transcribing audio tapes, moderating content, and so much more. You'll need to take a few exams in order to unlock the different categories on the site. Once you've unlocked a category, there are plenty of different tasks you can complete. If you take all the exams on the site, there is a large variety of work to choose from. If you love to perform a small task and get paid for your time, this is a fantastic site to join. How are you paid? You will need a PayPal account in order to be paid by the company. Each Friday the company sends out the payments to anyone who has a balance in their account. There is no minimum balance needed in order to be paid by the site. This is the payment proof from my PayPal account. How does this work? The site requires that you have a Facebook account in order to register. Once you have completed your registration for the site, go to your dashboard and click on the exam link. Here you'll find all different types of exams you can take.